colleagues. Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In this video, we will cover expert-level HVAC preventive maintenance and service interview questions.
Question 1. What is preventive maintenance in HVAC systems? Answer. Preventive maintenance is planned maintenance performed at regular intervals to prevent equipment failure. It includes cleaning and inspection, lubrication of moving parts, checking electrical and mechanical components, performance verification. Preventive maintenance increases equipment life and reliability. Question 2. Why is preventive maintenance important in HVAC systems? Answer. Preventive maintenance is important because it reduces unexpected breakdowns, improves energy efficiency, extends equipment life, maintains indoor comfort, reduces overall maintenance cost. Regular maintenance ensures uninterrupted HVAC operation. Question 3. What are common HVAC preventive maintenance activities? Answer. Common preventive maintenance activities include cleaning air filters and coils, checking belts, bearings, and motors, inspecting electrical connections, checking refrigerant pressure, inspecting drains and insulation. These activities help identify issues before failure. Question 4. How often should HVAC preventive maintenance be performed? Answer. Maintenance frequency depends on equipment type, operating hours, environmental conditions, manufacturer recommendations. Typically, HVAC systems require monthly, quarterly, and annual maintenance. Question 5. What checks are done during HVAC service maintenance? Answer. Service maintenance checks include power and control verification, thermostat calibration, airflow measurement, noise and vibration checks, safety device inspection. Service checks ensure safe and efficient operation. Question 6. What is the difference between preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance? Answer. Preventive maintenance is planned and scheduled. Breakdown maintenance is performed after equipment failure. Preventive maintenance reduces breakdowns, while breakdown maintenance causes downtime and higher cost. Question 7. What is HVAC maintenance checklist? Answer. An HVAC maintenance checklist is a structured document used to ensure all required maintenance activities are completed. It includes equipment inspection points, cleaning tasks, test readings, remarks, and observations. Checklists improve maintenance quality and consistency. Question 8. How do you maintain HVAC documentation? Answer. HVAC documentation is maintained by recording maintenance activities, keeping service reports, updating equipment history, recording test results. Proper documentation supports warranty and audit requirements. Question 9. What are common mistakes in HVAC maintenance? Answer. Common maintenance mistakes include skipping scheduled maintenance, using untrained technicians, ignoring early warning signs, poor documentation. These mistakes reduce system life and efficiency. Question 10. How does preventive maintenance improve HVAC system efficiency? Answer. Preventive maintenance improves efficiency by maintaining clean heat transfer surfaces, ensuring proper airflow, reducing electrical losses, preventing major failures. Efficient systems consume less energy and operate reliably. These were expert-level HVAC preventive maintenance and service interview questions based on real maintenance and operational experience. In the next video, we will cover HVAC energy efficiency and system optimization interview questions. Like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge for professional HVAC learning and expert interview preparation. Thank you.